Welcome to Guatemala. Church La Merced is located in the city of Antigua.
This Mayan temple is called the Great Plaza, located in the city of Tikal.
Lake Atitlan was once named most beautiful in the world. These are Mayan rituals that are held. This Guatemalan flag has the national bird on it.
This toucan is one of Guatemala's tropical birds.
The quetzal is Guatemala's national bird. Lake Penten Itza is another beautiful lake.
These are our citations.